commercial building, no? So the one nga inyohang gipasa during midterms. So plans, I think you already have the architectural plans naman. So kato lang kung sa tuwing ipasa atong midterms, kato lang pod nga mga specific plans, no, ang inyong ihatag. And then for structural plans, so the structural plans this time around will be somehow completed na dahil, no? So that is from the general notes, the foundation and column layout plan, the second floor layout plan. This should be the second floor beam layout plan. Then the roof beam layout plan. And then the schedule of columns, schedule of beams, and then the schedule of slabs. Okay, so that is for the structural plans, no? So, kana lang duha ka plans is what I will be needing for your finance PIT. And then for the structural analysis, no? So together with the plans is the structural analysis that will be in A4 soft bind, no? So that will include your load calculation, your slab design calculation, your beam design calculation, and then your column design calculation. Okay, so that will be for your finance PIT, no? Then for your finance PIT laboratory, that will only be your compilation of plates. So I think there will be at least 3 plates, no, for the finals. So same lang yapon, it will be on A4 soft binded. So right after this topic, the design of columns, we might be having a quick consultation for the structural arrangement of your columns for your structure. Okay, especially for the architecture, you must at least have this knowledge, no, to at least plan out your layouts with the consideration of structural elements. Most especially is the columns. Okay, of course, as you design those structures, you must take into account where the columns can be layouted, no, so that inyong architectural layout is ma-look ahead niya daan, no, what will be the possible implications if the structural side would be considered, especially during your planning phase, no. So I will be scheduling it in the future, but I can't have those dates now. So anyway, that is for your finance PIT. And then I think that's for the PIT ano. See, so we'll proceed na dahil sa ang discussion for this evening, which is the short column design. So for the proper design, you'd especially in civil engineering, no, so it should compose actually 2, the short column design and long column design. But I think it's not necessary to discuss the long column design na, since it is very complex na and it really needs more analysis power, you know. I think di na po niya siya pa naman po detrimental for you. So I think inyo lang ani karon is ma-appreciate ninyo how the sizes of columns are determined in terms of the loading of the structure, no. Okay, pero at least maka-define mo, okay, basta residential, dira ka na siya nga bugat, pwede ra ingani nga sizes ang column ako ibutang, or okay, sani is commercial building, so more or less I would be expecting to have this large nga column since long span man ang mga beams ani. So at least namoy common knowledge or basic knowledge about the design of columns, especially po nga mag-design mag structures, no. Okay. So again, all of these are from the NECP 2015, no. So the optimal capacity of column. So the optimal capacity of column is defined by PO. So that is concrete and steel. So sige, dito na lang ni sa whiteboard para ma-discuss ang tarong. So, okay, so optimal capacity of column. So, same with the beams, no? The columns are designed with consideration of concrete and steel. So that's why gali ato ang title of our subject is reinforced concrete. No? So it is both the power of concrete and steel that they calculate. So when you say optimal capacity of column, that is the most optimum na makaya o karga ni concrete and steel. So that is, of course, very basic formula. That is, wait lang ha. Okay. So that is PO, that is equals to P concrete and P steel. So meaning daw, ang makaya gid unta ni column is kung sa itong makaya ni concrete, kung sa itong makaya ni steel. No? But remember class, di ba? So far sa itong discussion, no, ang load o ang capacity. Okay. Ang kabug-aton o ang makaya, no? So far sa itong beam, ang kabug-aton ngayon dalon dapat must be less than or equal to makaya ni beam. The same goes with our shear. Dapat mas dako pa gid ang capacity or equal, no, yang makaya. So the same goes here, no? So ang dalon niya nga load dapat ang imo i-design nga column mas dako pa or equal sa iyahang makaya. So meaning diri ta mag-focus sa i-design nato nga column. So therefore this brings us to the formula that is equals to PU phi Pn. So aning Pn class, this is just the nominal capacity of concrete. Okay, concrete column. Okay. So di ba sir, nag-discuss na ganina na ang makaya ni concrete kay ang both unsa to makaya and ang makaya sa column kay unsa to makaya ni steel and ni concrete. So why not PO atong gamiton dire-diretso? So dili siya nato directly ma-input diri class, no? Since the NCP has specified that the nominal actual compressive tone Pn shall not exceed Pn max. Okay. So meaning ato ang Pn is ato pang gamyon kung unsa pag itong makaya ni PO. Okay? So ang importante lang diri is okay, kung ato ang column kay circular and then if atong column kay square. So mo ni ato ang i-take note, no? So zoom in na diri sa table karon. So take note of this, no? Non-pre-stress. So dili lang ta focus. Never mind na ni sila. Okay. So naay duha ka bukya klase, no? Naay ties o naay spiral. Okay, so again, atong column na type forma nga square or rectangular, pwede gyapon rectangular. Apo type forma og circle, circular. I think nakita ninyo ni both sa site, no? Katong nag-site visit. Of course, they normally have their main reinforcement. No? Okay. So, I think you also saw, no? Giyon sa sila paghikot. So, of course, if rectangular iyahang hoops. Okay. So, tawag ka ni class, basta column hoops, no? Basta beam, stirrups. Okay. So, while sa circular, ingani yung forma. Or siya pa spiral. Okay. So, tawag ani is hoops. No? Okay, basta columns. Pero ang particular nila nga tawag for each, no? Sa rectangular, mo nang gitawag nga ties. Okay? And then sa spiral, mo nang gitawag nga, ay sa circular, mo nang gitawag nga spiral ties. So pasabot na ng table class is that the ties conforming to section 422.4.2.4 pasabot na niya is kaning circular rectangular, no? So meaning di ay if ang ato ang concrete kay rectangular, no? Ito pa ang PN is equal to 0.8 pa ni PO. Ano siya class? No? So if you try to zoom in, 0.8 pa ni PO. So mali siya. And then if it is circular, ang iyahang PN is 0.85 ni PO. Mali siya. So doon nakaklase itong column, rectangular o circular. So actually, it depends yun sa inyo, mga architect. Mag-agad ready mo sa inyo kung sa inyong gusto nga column na design. So wala gid na siya implication kung unsay bagid ang mas kusgan nga column, circular or rectangular. Kay ma-design na gid namo ang structure kung unsa dapat sa kadak-a para makakarga sa load sa structure. So, it depends na gid na siya sa inyo architects kung unsa inyo ang gusto nga design sa column. Kay basin day intentional nga gusto ninyo nga circular ang column ninyo kay mao na siya part sa inyo ang design nga inga na iyahang output, no? In final nga kuan. So, kami mga structural engineers mo follow ra gid mi kung unsa nga shape ang gusto ninyong mugawa sa inyong building. Kay it depends sa dahil, no? Mao na din ang naay gamay nga changes. For example, no, the architect initially set nga okay, basin pwede ra nga 0.5 meters rato ang column, nga circular column. Okay ra ka na siya. So, amo na din na siyang i-analyze, i-check na mo if okay ra ba ang 0.5 meters nga column. Then, if it turns out nga okay ra daw siya, pwede ra din i-confirm. Pero if naagali major changes, like for example, okay, architect, magdigid makaya ang 0.5 meters nga column. Needed gid na to og 0.7 meters nga column. So, mo na rin na, mura og kana back and forth of ideas nga kailangan mag-adjust, no? Both the architectural and structural aspect since it really will affect, no, the final drafting of the design of the structure. But at least, na mo head start daan nga, okay, nga niraman kadako ang balay, pwede ra gid nga ni kadaka ang column. Para at least, na mo idea daan, especially sa inyohang pag-design sa spaces, no? Especially if smaller spaces, gusto gid niyo nga maximize ang space, nang detrimental gid nga makabalo na madaan pila ang makaon sa column, pila ang makaon sa beam, para at least if naman gali changes pag abot sa structural, gamay na lang siya. Dili kayo siya mo apekto sa inyong design. Okay, for example, no, wala kayo may basic knowledge sa structural design nya. Okay, wala gid may nga for example nag-design mo try og balay nya. I-initial set ninyo nga inganere kagami ang column, then it turns out mas takot ang kailangan. So maapektuhan gid ang layouting especially sa inyong balay. So man at least na may basic knowledge how it would be typically sized up para gamay na lang siyang changes pag abot sa structural, no? So man na siyang reason. So anyway, so that is for the circular, no? So meaning di ay kani ato ang PU karon with this value of PN, wala din yung value sa PN nga ito ibutang diri. Makuha na nato ang design sa ito ang column. Okay? So ito ang PO class is composed of concrete and steel, no? Okay, so PO is equals to P concrete and then steel. Okay. So ito ang PO concrete. So concrete is 0.85 F prime of C A of concrete. So mura gyapon og atong beam class, no? Then ang P steel kay area of steel Fy. So mura gyapon nga ng stress equals to force over area, no? And then if you want to calculate the force nga makaya sa ato ang concrete or steel, ato lang i-multiply ang stress with the area. Mao na din siya. Area of concrete, area of steel, unsang area, and then ang stresses kanino, yield stress, and then the stress of concrete. Okay? So, mo na siya karon. Okay, so sa design usahay gyud labi na if kita pa ang mangita sa unsa kadaghan na kabilya ibutang, no? So I think we already met the variable rho, no? So which means steel ratio. So si steel ratio is ang kadaghanon sa kabilya given ang area sa concrete, no? This can be defined by the formula AST A over concrete. So normally class basta column, no? Take note of this. Ang ato ang steel ratio would range from 1% to 8%. Okay? Nothing less, nothing more. So more or less ang ato yung ratio sa ato ang steel kay within these values. So at least natin head start kung unsa ang ideal nga ratio sa atong steel. So muna sa no kaning formula ma-breakdown pag nato ni siya into this one. Especially if we don't know yet the area of concrete. I-design naman nato siya unsa siya kadak ano. So maning AG minus AST plus AST FY. Okay, so asa ni gikan ng AG minus AST? So gikan ni siya dire no. So from this alone, this give us nga area of concrete is equal to area gross minus AST. So sa pasabot na area gross, sir? AG is area gross. So, ang area gross, for example, natay given nga rectangle karon. So ang area gross nimo is kaning tibuok na. So kaning tibuok man mo area gross. But take note na apay naapil ana ang kabilya. So i-minus pa nimo ang imuhang area sa steel ana para ang mabilin yun is ang area sa concrete. Area sa concrete kay kaning naka-shade nga area gross minus pagidayon ka sa area of steel kaning naka-red. So manang na-breakdown na siya ani nga formula. Okay, and then okay, so that is for the main reinforcement sa column. So for the shear reinforcement, no, or the ties, for non-pre-stress, okay, man siya ganin na class ang giingon, no. Area of longitudinal reinforcement shall be at least 0.01 AG but shall not exceed 0.08 AG. So 1% to 8% tragid ang ato ang steel ratio. Okay, so for ties class, ang kaning fee nato nga value diri karon, kining value nato sa fee diri is depende. So if ties that is rectangular. So if rectangular, reduction factor is 0.65. Okay, so maday niyahang tie shall not consist of loops. I think this is the same with the shear reinforcement raman ang kaning sa column, no, sa beam. So same lang siya. So ang bag-o ni karon actually is kaning spirals. So basta spirals class, that is again circular. So ang fee nato is 0.75, no, so kaning nga value. Kani. Okay? So spirals shall consist evenly spaced continuous bar or wire. Spacing conforming to A and B. Okay. At least. Okay. So volumetric spiral reinforcement. Steel ratio S shall satisfy equation. Okay. So I think this will be discussed later on para mas maklaro. Okay. This is more on solving the spiral spacing. Okay. So in order to test what we have discussed right now, we shall solve a sample problem, no? So very easy ra kaining design of columns. Okay, so let's have sample problem number 1. Okay. So a reinforced concrete tied column carries a dead load of 600 kilonewton and live load 800 kilonewtons. Okay, so from that first sentence alone, we can say nga if tied column gali iyang gingon, pasabot ana more or less that is rectangular. Okay? So, manang need yun ninyo i-read yun ang problem class since it will tell you what is the condition of the structural element ng i-design ninyo, no? So, with a dead load, that is 600 kilonewtons and a live load that is at 100 kilonewtons. So FC prime is 28 megapascal, Fy is 400 megapascal. Determine the following smallest dimension of the square column section if the steel ratio is 2%. So, steel ratio is 2%. Okay. So, gamiton lang natutuwa to ang formula class nga PU is equal to VPN. But before that, we write na lang sa the given. Okay, given DL is 600. Okay, wait lang ha. 600. LL is 800. Okay, and then FC prime is 28. Fy is 400. Okay, so given po nga steel ratio kay 2%. Okay, so let's solve. Smallest dimension of the square column. Okay, so we'll just use the formula given to us. PU is equals to phi PN. Okay, so let's break down this phi PN. So again, we can't use the nominal, the optimal. So paan pa na to? So this is rectangular. That means we will use from the table ang 0.8 PO. Kanino? 0.8 PO. Okay, so 0.8 PO. Okay, so 0.8 PO. And again, ito ang PO is composed of concrete and steel. Okay, so concrete and steel. Okay. So next dayon is, okay, so i-breakdown pa natin siya, no? So this will be broken down into this equation pala yun. 0.8. So PO, again, concrete, that is 0.85 F prime of C, area of concrete, and then for steel, that is AST FY. Okay. So, may lang yung mga taas ang formula kay nagamit na yung mga tanan close and open parenthesis, no? Okay, so PU is equal to, okay, so phi 0.8, 0.85 F prime of C. Again, from our discussion later, this is equal to AG minus AST. Okay, so AG minus AST. Okay. 0.8 times 0.85. Okay. Okay. Plus AST FY. Okay. So I think we're good na. Okay. So remember class, no? So steel ratio is equal to AST over AG. Ano, area concrete. So meaning area of concrete is equals to, wait. No, sorry. This is AG there. AG. So this is equal to AST raw AG. Okay. So let's just substitute na tayo, no? Okay. So kani siya, may mo ni siyang kanino? Raw AG. So may mo siyang raw AG and then this one po. Raw AG. Okay. So given man atong raw, then we are trying to find the dimension of our square column. Okay, so let's calculate first our PU. So given taog dead load and live load, so we'll just calculate 1.2 DL plus 1.6 LL. So we have 1.2 of 600 plus 1.6 of 800. So we have okay, so pila that is 2,000 kilonewton. Okay. So I think we can now properly substitute na tayo, no? So okay, so let's substitute. PU is 2,000. Okay, so this is kilonewton. Again, basta mag-input ta sa formula, dapat naka-newton, mm, and megapascal. Okay. So kanina kilo pa man so mag times 10 to the power of times 10 to the power of 3 pa ta. Para mahimong newton. Equals, so basta rectangular, ang ato ang phi is 0.65. Okay? So basta rectangular. P is 0.65. Okay. Okay, so 0.65, 0.8 times 0.85. Okay, substitute. F prime C, 28. AG, so mana ito pong itaon. So again, class AG, that is just area of the column or area gross. So area gross is just x squared. So kada lang sa ito ang pangitaon ng AG, no? Later na lang ito siya i-break down into x squared. So minus, okay, so raw AG, so 2% or that is 0.02. So 0.02 of AG. Okay, so that, and then plus, okay, 0.02 of AG times Fy, that is 400. Okay. Okay, so wala ba tayo na mali o input? Okay, so I think that is correct. So, ang makuha na to ani karon sa formula no is the area of gross. Okay. So, pila? So, basically, area gross ato ang makuha, no? Or so the area of the concrete. So, okay, so how much? So, that is 122,786.17. Again, we are calculating the area, so we're expecting mm squared niya. And then again, since the problem stated nga it is a square column, so the dimension are just equal, so we can just say nga the area of the concrete is equal to x squared. Okay, so we can finally calculate the dimension of the column that is equal to, so that is 350.4 mm. So basta sa design sa column class, pwede ra mo mag-upsize, pwede ra mo mag-downsize. So again, it is much closer to 350 mm, so pwede ra 350 mm. Pwede ra po mo gamit ng 356 class. Hindi 356. 360, no? Or 35. Pwede ka pong 355, per gamay na mo dyan na 5 mm. So pwede ra nimo 360 na lang. Pero pwede ra nga, again, pwede ra siya i-round up, round down. It doesn't matter kay since pwede man ta mabawi sa steel na plaster, no? Kay area man ni sa concrete. Pwede man na to. So kung pagamyan na to siya, pwede ra na to daghanan ang kabilya, no? Or if padako na to siya, mugamay lang itong kabilya. So nga na lang yung idea, no? So the area of steel, as we have substituted earlier, is just equal to the area, the steel ratio times the area gross. So since nakalculate mo na to, no, nga ang ato ang x is 350, pwede dayon nga rho is equal to x squared. Okay, so 0.02 ni siya as discussed as given earlier, and then x is 350 squared. So meaning ang area still nga itong kailangan is equal to okay, so pila class 2,450 tama? 2,450. So mana ito ang total area of the steel. So again, since same as maragapon ka ga-design ang beam anino. So mana imo total area sa steel. Pila man ka buok kabilya. I think that's the second problem. Pwede natin discuss. So number of 20 mm diameter bars. So 20 mm day atong gamiton. Diameter of the bar. So pila daw ka buok 20 mm. Okay. So pila ka buok. So n that is pi over 4 20 squared. Okay, so pila ka buok kabilya itong gamiton. So that is equal to okay, so that is equal to 7.8. Okay, so of course, basta kabilya, ato nalagyan na siyang round up, no? So that is 8. Okay. So meaning, ang plaster din na to ana is na siya 350 nga sukod, and then 8 ka buok. So, upat sa kilid, and then upat sa tunga. Tagsa sa tunga, no? So, 8 na din tanan. So, muna din yung dagway sa imong column class. Okay. So far, do you have any question? Okay, so let's proceed to the next problem. Basically, the next problem raman kay a circular column. So this is a sample problem for rectangular and then sample problem for circular column. Di answer natin epilog na lang. Okay. So same gyapon, no? Pero this is a circular column. So I think the problem gives it away already, no? A spiral column. So pasabot, circular. Okay, so column carries a dead load of 1,070 kilonewton and a live load of 980 kilonewton. Okay. So let's write the given sa. Okay, so pwede galin, no? Kung ma-identify ninyo unsa na siya nga shape, pwede nyo islat daan iya ang mga giveaway points. So like the value of phi for circular, the value of phi is pila? Spirals, 0.75. And then iyang PN, 0.85. 0.85 o 0.75. Point 75. Yung PN niya kay 0.85. Tama? Okay. And then dead load 1,070 kilonewtons, and then live load nga 980 kilonewtons. F prime of C 27.5. Then Fy nga 413.5. Okay, so first is find the diameter of the column. So ang steel ratio given is 3%. So that is 0.03. Okay, so let's solve. So again, PU is equals to phi PN, and then our PN is 0.85 of PU. Okay, and then our PO is composed of concrete and steel. Okay, and then our concrete and steel can be broken down into this formula. 0.85 F prime of C, area of concrete, tama, no? Plus AST FY. Okay, and then again, it can be broken down more into this formula. 0.85 times 0.85 F prime of C. Okay, so again, area of concrete is equal to AG minus AST, where AST later on na lang. AG minus AST. Okay. Wait. Kaya sa total buat ganina. Atom na yung gerogene. Raw AG is raw AG, and then of course this is also raw AG. Okay. So 0.5 FMC times area gross minus raw AG plus raw AG F1. Okay. Okay. So first is diameter of the column. So again, the diameter of the column, ano itong area gross. So ato sa isolve unang area gross, then ayan na din tayo mag-solve sa diameter using this formula, pi over 4 d squared. So many area sa circle class using diameter. So PU, let's calculate first PU. So PU is equal to 1.2 d plus 1.6 L. That is 1.2 of 1070 plus 1.6 of sa to class 1.6 of 980. Okay, so pila? Mm. To 852, no? To 852. Again, this is still in kilonewtons. Okay. So I think we can now substitute. So substitute. So again, to 852, naka-kilonewtons pa na siya. So times 10 to the power of 3 pa ta. Is equal to phi for circular, that is 0.75. 0.75 times 0.85 times 0.85. Okay, frequency, that is pila, 27.5. And then area of gross, man natin ipakita. Given ang steel ratio, that is 0.03 AG. Okay, plus 0.03 AG times FY na to nga 413.5. Okay. Okay. So let's calculate for AG. Okay, so pila? 127,533.78 mm squared. Okay, so let's just equate this to our formula for the circle, that is pi over 4 d squared. So we can now finally solve for the diameter of the column. Okay, so pila class? That is 357.12, no? Or approximately 360 mm atong gamiton nga diameter. Okay. So na dito yung column. Sukod niya kay 360. So how about the reinforcement? So ang problem sa reinforcement, number of 28 mm diameter rebars. So if 28 mm daw ang diameter sa rebars, pila daw siya kabuok. Okay, so we'll just use our formula earlier, that is, AST is equal to rho AG. Okay. So this is just kanino? Okay, so rho AG, so pi over 4 d squared. Okay, so 0.03 times pi over 4 times 360 squared. So pila? $3,053.63, no? 3,053.63. Okay. So AST is equal to 3,053.63. Ato lang siya equate sa N times pi over 4 times 28 squared. So, magkuha na din na ito pila kabok atong kailangan. Okay, so 4.95 or 5. Okay. So natin 5 kabuok kabilya para sa tuang column. So di na lang ako apila ng spiral class since I think it is not naman kana needed for you. Okay. So 5 kabuok iyahang kailangan nga kabilya. Okay, so far do you have any question? Okay, so di na kayo nakukwaon niyo ang oras class. Let me discuss na lang the plate number 2 really quick, no? Kaya para maka-enjoy pa mo sa inyong Archie days. Okay, so plates number 2, so deadline May 28. Not May 28. Dili na siya May 28 class, April na siya. Layo pa ba aning April. Taba? April. Ako maning na-present. Okay. April 28 din na siya class. So, actually, same lagi po sa plate 1 class, no? Same lagi po sa problem nga itong i-discuss. Okay, so basically, you have a guide already for your plates. So, deadline April 28. I think you already know the instructions. So, lang. So, if you don't have any question for this afternoon's lecture, then thank you for attending this lecture this afternoon. You are now dismissed. Okay, sir, pwede pabalik og unsa og kuha ang AG nawala man gyud. Okay, ano mic Mr. Carlos. Sige. Pa ba si Carlos din?
Hindi ko pa. Dili.
Insa yung question? Sa circular or sa rectangular?
Dili ko sa rectangular, sir.
Rectangular. AG. Okay, so giyon sa pagkuha ang AG. Kaning formula?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So, I hope your calculator has this function shift solve, no? So, igaram naman niyo siya input ng equation sa calculator and then hit shift solve, then it will give you the answer for your variable x. Or in this case, that is AG. Did I answer your question? Mo ba
Yes,
nagpas-
sir. Thank you, sir.
Wala ko na percent line. Shift solve lang siya. Shift solve lang nimo. Okay, para hopefully inyong calculator na shift solve para makuha rin yung answer. Okay, so ako lang na-share ang whiteboard as usual. Sige. So you're officially dismissed. Oh, sige, Mr. Jenny.
Excuse me, sir. Sa plate number 2, sir, nga problem 2. Katong letter P, sir, apilon patog answer, sir. Katong wala.
No na tuod. Ayan na tuod. Sige lang, maghatag lang og updated nga presentation material nga na-edit na ang deadline apil ang questions. Is that okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige. Any other questions? Okay, so okay na. Okay, sige, so you are officially dismissed.